It's 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. I'm out on a hiking trail with my dog. Fresh air, no notifications, no meetings, and my boss has absolutely no idea. Now, before you assume I blew off my responsibilities, let me stop you right there. I didn't skip work. I finished it by 11 a.m. That's not luck. That's not a flexible employer. That's a system. My name is Mitchel Schwindt. I'm a physician. I spent more than 20 years in emergency medicine and helicopter flight medicine. In those environments, wasting time isn't an option. Every decision has a cost, every minute has weight. So when I stepped back and looked at how most professionals actually spend their workdays, I was genuinely shocked. Not because people aren't working hard, they are. The problem is what they're working on. Here's what I see constantly: smart, capable professionals burning hours on tasks they've already done 100 times before. Same emails, same status updates, same responses to the same questions, day after day after day. That is not a time management problem. That is a systems problem, and systems problems have solutions. When I started building what I now call the time lever system, the first thing I did was map every task I was repeating. Not the deep work, not the strategic thinking, not the high value conversations. The stuff that looked like productivity but was really just friction. You know what I found? Nearly 3 hours of my day was being consumed by tasks that could be automated, templated, or completed in a fraction of the time with the right setup. 3 hours every single day. That's 15 hours a week handed back to me. That's almost 2 full working days every week. Now, I want to be direct with you about something. This is not about doing less. This is not about cutting corners or disappearing on your team. It's about recognizing that the way most professionals work hasn't changed in 30 years, but the tools available to them absolutely have. What used to take 10 minutes now takes 10 seconds. What used to chain you to your desk all afternoon now runs in the background while you're doing something that actually matters. Or in my case, hiking a trail on a Tuesday with my dog. Here's the part most people miss. The goal is not to work less. The goal is to make every hour count for more. When you stop grinding through low-value repetitive work all day, you show up differently for the things that actually require you. Your clients get sharper thinking from you, your team gets a clearer leader, and the people in your personal life get an actual human being, not a burnt-out professional staring at a screen at 9 p.m. That is the real payoff, not just time saved, life reclaimed. I built this system for myself first, then I documented every piece of it and put it into a playbook you can pick up and run with today. It's called the Time Lever Playbook, 130 pages. It covers exactly how to identify where your time is being drained, how to build outputs that run without you, and how to compress a full day of repetitive work into a focused morning block. The link is in the description. And if you're watching this on a Tuesday afternoon while everyone else is still grinding, good. You're already asking the right questions. Go check it out today. I'll see you on the trail.